Welcome to All My Birds Friend. A Common Birds Introduction. 30 Common Birds in Tiger Reserve. The first introduction from reserve habitat. You can enjoy dense forest, mixed forest, grassland and wetland in single transect. Crested serpent eagle, size, kite habitat, forest food, frogs, lizards, rats, snake. Red jungle fowl, size, village hen habitat, open forest grassland and forest food, insect, vegetable shoots, lizard. Oriental pied-hornbill, size, vulture habitat, open forest, wooded forest and evergreen forest food, fruits, small birds, reptile and fish. Greater bracket-tailed drongo, size, myna. Habitat, forest, open forest food, insect, moths, flower nectar. Rufous tree pie, size, myna. Habitat, forest food, omnivorous. Black drongo, size, bulbul. Habitat, forest, open forest food, insect, flower nectar. Jungle owlet, size, myna. Habitat, forest, open forest mix forest food, insect and beetles. Great tick, size, sparrow. Habitat, forest, open forest, mix forest food, insect. Lesser golden-backed woodpecker, size, myna. Habitat, open forest, forest, scrub forest food, insect. Eurasian griffon vulture, size, vulture. Habitat, open forest with grassland. Food, carrion. Red whisker bulbul, size, bulbul. Habitat, open forest grassland and garden. Food, insect, fruits, berries and flower nectar. Red-vented bulbul, size, bulbul. Habitat, open forest and grassland. Food, insect, fruits, berries and flower nectar. Jungle battler, size, myna. Habitat, forest and mixed forest, village garden. Food, insect, wild fig, berries and flower nectar. Indian pond heron, size, cattle-gripped. Habitat, water body. Food, frog, fish, crab and insect. Common hoot, size, myna. Habitat, open forest, plain and garden, village and towns. Food, insects. Common kingfisher. Size, sparrow. Habitat, wetland and near water body. Food, fish, tadpoles, aquatic insect. Scarlet minivet. Size, bulbul. Habitat, forest and mixed forest. Food, insect and larvae. Black-headed oriole. Size, mina. Habitat, garden, forest and mixed forest. Food, insect, fruits, berries and flower nectar. Spot-tailed duck. Size, pigeon. Habitat, dry and cultivated area. Food, seeds. Emerald duck. Size, mina. Habitat, forest. Food, seeds and berries. Indian roller. Size, pigeon. Habitat, open cultivated country, light deciduous forest. Food, insect. Asian open-bill stork. Size, vulture. Habitat, water body. Food, frog, crabs, large insect. Purple sunbird. Size, sparrow. Habitat, garden, cultivated and scrub. Food, insect, spider and probing nectar. Red wet-tailed lapwing. Size, francolin. Habitat, water body, crops field, grazing area. Food, vegetable matter, shoots, mollusks, insect, reptiles. Ruddy-shelled duck. Size, domestic duck. Habitat, river or flow water body. Food, vegetable matter, fish, mollusks, insect, reptiles. Snakebird. Size, kite. Habitat, water body. Food, fish, insect, reptiles. Rus crane. Size, vulture. Habitat, water body with vegetation, crops field. Food, vegetable matter, shoots, mollusks, insect, reptiles. Large egret. Size, vulture. Habitat, water body with vegetation. Food, fish and frogs. Pheasant-tailed jacknut. Size, francolin. Habitat, water body with vegetation. Food, vegetable matter, mollusks, insect. Red-crested pochard. Size, duck. Habitat, river, dam, lake winter visitor. Food, shoots and roots of water plant, mollusks, insect. Please like, share and comment our channel Golden Village, and thanks again for watching.